Hi, this is William with Trenchless Pipelining, and we're at 1640 Cathedral Drive here in Margate, Florida. What you're looking at is where the kitchen comes in from the stack, comes down. This was a total of 30 feet in total. We add the clean out and everything to it. Them dark spots are dirt. Sitting there. A little bit of water sitting in here. Again, this is William with Trenchless Pipelining, and we're at 1640 Cathedral Drive here in Margate, Florida, and this is 30 feet of main line pipe. And then this is where we're going to be connecting the clean out at. Can't really see. Goes over to here somewhere.